All right, what is going on, everybody? So today is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do a kind of unboxing and setup of our new grill. Now this is a Kamado Joe.
Ryan is a crazy dreamer, and he's had a dream about having one of those egg thingies, and this is an egg thing. So we are making this crazy dreamer's dream come true by getting this grill, and it makes my dream come true of me never starving.
I looked into the big green egg grills, but as you probably know, they're very expensive. These grills are pretty much the same exact thing, but for like half the cost. So I do a lot of grilling. It is quite the investment for a grill, but I know that I will use it and I'll enjoy it. So I figured that why not? Let's just pull the trigger and buy it. I believe this is the 22-inch version. I think they make a bigger one as well. I think that one goes for around $1,000. But yeah, let's crack into this box here. We're probably gonna have to bring this up on the deck in pieces and assemble it up there because it's so incredibly heavy.
And I'm hungry, and that's where I'm gonna eat it off of the grill up there.
Yeah. Pam and I both kind of like grilling on charcoal instead of having a gas grill. We just like the taste better. So we just had one of these old cheap Weber charcoal grills. It served us well for a while, but we decided to make a big leap and invest in something really nice. All right, let's crack into this box. Look at that.
It looks red.
It looks red. They make these in 2 colorways. I believe they also make it in a blue. We decided to go with the red because I just think it looks cooler.
That's what I get for... I don't really know.
I thought you were gonna hula hoop.
That's why I originally put it in here, but then it got stuck on
Sticking
something.
out of your butt. So it does look like this comes pretty assembled. The whole egg part is pretty much all together, it looks like. And that means it's gonna be very heavy. Actually, I should be able to take this box right off. So there she is. Some packages here. I don't know what this is. Grill gripper, which I don't really know what that is.
It touches these things.
Oh, so you can pick up these things. Okay. What's in this box here?
Side shelves.
Side shelf. Oh, so these are the shelving that go on the sides of the actual grill.
This is the reason why Ryan really wanted this.
Yeah, it's got a nice table. So if you guys don't know, the reason why this grill is so incredibly heavy is because it's made completely of ceramic. Now that's what makes these grills special. They hold heat very well because of the material they're made out of. You know, they're not made out of metal or anything, so they hold the heat in very well, and you can control the heat very well with these. I do believe we have to season this before we use it, kind of like a cast iron pan.
Wait, can we just cook our meat though? Because
yeah.
it's hungry time.
So I'm gonna have to muscle this thing up into the stand, and then I'm gonna roll it around to the deck, and we're gonna have to pick it up step by step because it's very heavy.
That's okay. Put on this. I can hear it ripping the grass.
Now for the fun part. This is so heavy.
Doing good. 3 more, bae. And then 1.
Cons of the Kamado grill. It's very hard to transport places.
2 more steps and 1 big heave.
Wow. There's no easy way to pick it up either, you know, because if you were to grab it here, it would make sense just to grab it. There's like a good handle back here and right here, but it's just gonna open up, and there's no lock or anything, so it makes it tough. The only grab points are these brackets for the side.
Alright, now I gotta do my part. Alright, we'll just put that there for now.
Is it actually pretty heavy? Whoa, strongman competition. All right, so we got it. Whew. Now let's finish assembling. Get all this styrofoam out. We don't want styrofoam tasting our food.
It's actually poisonous.
All right, so we'll put the old pan in first here, and the ring goes in.
Is there something that goes on top of it?
Should connect all these pieces together.
Oh yeah, look. 1, 2, 2.
All right, so we got all the inner ceramic panels in. This was kind of a pain to get them all lined up so that this ring would fit flush down on there. If you got this grill and you're putting it together, the easiest thing to do is they have this ash tool. I don't think this is what it's made for, but it came with the grill. And if you don't have a crowbar or anything, this worked perfectly. We just kind of wedged each piece around so that it would fit inside this ring and work like a charm like that. So a little tip there if you're struggling to get that on. This works good. So we got the shelves put in. These are super easy. I was thinking I was gonna have to screw them together, but they just lock right in very, very easily in these grooves here, which is awesome. And then, yeah, they've got little things to hang your tools off of. These are all the grates installed.
That's too big.
Yeah. Let's put the old chimney top on there.
We don't want Santa coming down in July, I tell you.
And that just carefully squishes right on there like that. And now you got your vent. Which is pretty awesome.
Where's my charcoal?
Oh, yeah. Charcoal. By the way, it's probably worth mentioning, we're not sponsored by Kamado Joe at all. So we also got some of this.
Hey, come here, baby.
Big block lump charcoal to put in the bottom.
Show them what it looks like. Show me what it looks like. We are endorsed by Garage Flips. Just kidding, Lonnie. Oh my gosh, that's like
Look at the size of that.
Oh, Kimmy thinks it's a stick. She's like, Dad, I'll take one of those. But definitely that looks like a
I'm probably not going to use
wood.
that big one right now.
That would be great for like a big cookout.
Yeah.
I feel like we could run a train on this bag. Let me see your hands. Delicious.
All right, so we got our charcoal in there. We just lit it. A little bit with a starter piece in the middle. And now we're gonna close her up. Leave the vents all the way open so they can breathe good till she gets up to temperature. I'll probably get it up into the steakhouse searing because we're gonna be having some nice steaks tonight. And yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. That's the grill. Really looking forward to using this. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. I'm very excited about it. But yeah, definitely pricey, but if you're into grilling and it's something that you don't mind investing in, that you're gonna use all the time, like me, I think it's a good buy. So definitely a lot more cost effective or cost efficient than a big green egg, which are super pricey. But yeah, so that's the grill. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.